Before we get started, make sure that the sauna is unplugged from the wall outlet. Some tools that will be needed will be a small to medium-size ladder, and a Phillips head screwdriver or a power tool with a Phillips head attachment. After you have your ladder positioned, proceed by removing the front and rear dust covers by removing the screws. On the front of the Bluetooth amp, you will see the channel 1 and 2, left and right, audio jacks. You will also see the Bluetooth and power connection indicator lights. Turning the unit around to the back, you will see the power connection point for the E5, 8-pin, power connector. Disconnect the E5, 8-pin, power connector from the back of the Bluetooth amp. Disconnect the audio cables from their audio jacks on the front. Unscrew the 2 screws on the front bracket. Unscrew the 2 screws on the back bracket. Remove the old Bluetooth amp and position the new Bluetooth amp in its place. Connect the E5, 8-pin, power connector to the back of the new Bluetooth amp. The 8-pin connector, labeled E8, is unused and can be set aside. Connect the red audio cable into the red audio jack marked with an R on the right. Then connect the white audio cable into the white audio jack, marked with an L, on the right. Set aside the unused ends of the audio cables, making sure they don't come in contact with the Bluetooth amp, to avoid feedback. Screw the 2 screws in the front bracket of the Bluetooth amp. Screw the 2 screws in the back bracket of the Bluetooth amp. You can now plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Make sure, after plugging the sauna back in, that both the power and Bluetooth indicator lights come on, indicating that the Bluetooth amp is receiving power and is working properly. Return the dust covers to their original position.